Hello, editors. Today we're going to learn how to create this cool, stylish text animation inside DaVinci Resolve. So let's dive in. Drag down a Fusion composition on the timeline. Then head over to the Fusion tab. Drag down the text node. Connect it to Media Out. Now, write down the text and adjust font, size, and tracking however you like. Now select the text node and hit Ctrl-C to copy, then hit Ctrl-V to paste. Then select the pasted text node and delete everything except the last letter. Change the color and position of the last letter. Add transform node, then go to 0 frame and add a keyframe for length. Then go to frame 30 and add another keyframe. Then go to frame 20 and increase the size. Keep increasing the size until it fits the whole screen. Adjust X and Y values to make sure it is centered. Now, while selecting the transform node, go to frame 20 and add a keyframe for center values. Go to 30th frame and adjust the X and Y position to match the last letter's original position. Then go to frame 0 and add a keyframe for angle, then go to 30th keyframe and add another keyframe. Now go to previous keyframe and change angle value to 180 degree, then go to frame 20 and change the angle value to 90 degree. As you can see, our letter is not in the center on the first frame, so adjust it. Now we have this cool rotation animation, but it looks so simple, so we have to make it smooth. Open Spline Editor. Check Transform, and click this little button to see all the keyframes. Now hit Ctrl+A to select all the keyframes, then press S to smooth them out. Now uncheck Size and Angle keyframes so that we can work on only path keyframes. Hit Ctrl+T. Now click this lock icon to lock ease in and out values, and increase the value to around 60 for a smooth animation. Now uncheck and select Size. Now drag, select first 2 keyframes, then right-click and go to Ease and select out Cubic. Then select last 2 keyframes and increase their ease values to around 50. Make sure this lock is selected. Then finally uncheck Size and select Angle. Now repeat the same process we did for the size keyframes. Now we have this cool and much smoother animation. Now close Spline Editor and select the original text node. Then hit Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V to copy-paste. Now delete the original text node and add transform node to the pasted text node and connect it to merge. Note this time only delete the last letter and give it the same color we gave to the last letter earlier. Adjust its position so it looks like a whole word. Now go to frame 24 and select the transform node. Now put a keyframe for center values. Then go to 31st frame and add another keyframe. Now go to the previous keyframe and change the X value so that there's nothing left on the left side of the letter N. Being on the 24th frame, select the text node and go to shading. Set a keyframe for opacity. Then go to frame 30 and add another keyframe. Then go to previous keyframe and set opacity value to 0. Then open the Spline Editor and hit Ctrl+F to see all the keyframe, then Ctrl+A to select all keyframes, and finally press S to smooth them out. Also increase the ease value. Then select this transform node and follow along. Finally, the animation is done. Now, let's add some motion blur. Go to each text and transform node and add motion blur like so. It might slow down your PC, but the final result would be worth it. Now let's add some glow. Select the Merge node and hit Shift plus Spacebar to open Effects menu. Now search Soft Glow and click Add. Then adjust the values to give the look you want. And this is how the animation looks like. If you like the video, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. Comment down for which tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.